was a great introduction. That song was Fear Factory's New Breed, one of my favorite all-time songs. That's right. Now, for today's video, as promised, I know it's been a while, but the freak was busy. Anyway, today we're going to taste test this Pepsi directly from Thailand. That's right. It is a peach and tea Pepsi. Hopefully it's going to taste great. Then again, I don't know. Never tasted this. And before we start, guys, I need to tell you again, please, 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 tell all your friends about me. Click on the like button. Subscribe to my channel because a hell of a lot more great burps coming your way. And don't forget, as soon as we reach 100 subscribers to my channel, one of you guys will win this super cool Pepsi Blue beach hat, personally autographed by me, and an exclusive autographed picture of me. That's right. And I will personally ship it to your address wherever you live in the world for free. That's right. For free. The freak loves his fans. Now, that being said, let's get on with it. Alright, so here's my trusty Iron Maiden one-of-a-kind glass. So, let's get to it, baby. And as usual, I will rate this on the 4 freak standards, which, as you all know, are the look, the smell, the taste, and the burp factor, baby. That's right. Most important of all, right? All right. So, fits perfectly in my Iron Maiden glass. Now, guys, as you can see, as far as the look or the color goes, it looks exactly like a regular Pepsi. No surprise there. Standard, just standard. Wait a minute. It seems to be a little bit of a lighter brown shade than regular Pepsi. I guess that's the peach vanilla tea thing going for it. All right, so I'll give it a 3 out of 4 fingers. It's okay. Nothing surprising, nothing extraordinary there. All right, all good. Now, the smell, baby. Oh, yeah. Wow, guys, all right. So right off the bat, you can clearly smell a peach smell. Oh. It doesn't smell anything like a regular Pepsi. It smells really like a strong peach scent. That's, wow, all right. So I'll give that a 4 out of 4 fingers, baby. That's right. Because, yeah, it doesn't lie. Wow. All right. Very peachy. So, yeah. Pepsi from Thailand, peach and tea and vanilla. For the smell, 4 out of 4, baby. All right, the taste. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Definitely. A nice peach taste. I love it. I love it. Pepsi, congratulations. Yeah, highly recommend it. Very, very original. You guys, PepsiCo, you guys should sell this in America because, you're losing a lot of money by not selling this in America. So I give the taste 4 out of 4, baby. That's right. Wow. I am very, very surprised by this. That's great. Great. Now, burp factor, baby. Burp factor. Burp factor. Can't get over this, the peach taste. Wow. I got PepsiCo. I got one complaint about this. It is definitely not as bubbly as a regular Pepsi. Definitely not. So that's a complaint that I have about this particular product. Still, the smell, the taste, great, amazing. Guys, I'm halfway through, and I can definitely tell you that burp-wise, this is not the best product. I mean, for all of you guys that have been following me for a while, I give you a hell of a lot more burps and better burps and louder burps usually, but with this, nah, burp-wise, it doesn't make the cut. So I guess in Thailand, they don't particularly appreciate loud burping. Guys, still, the taste. Unbelievable. And that's it, guys. All right, for burp factor, unfortunately, I'm going to have to give this product 1 out of 4 stars. And that's bad because, I actually like this product. As everybody knows, I'm a huge Pepsi fan. And, screw the other company. It starts with a C and ends with Oak. But Pepsi, peach and vanilla from Thailand, Overall, I guess you get an average of 3 out of 4. Like I said, for the color, 3, the smell, and the taste, 4. Crazy. Burp factor, only 1. So I guess an average of 3 is good. I recommend this product. Guys, if you can find it, buy it, taste it. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you agree with me. So, until next time, I will see ya, baby.